Pín o, lọ́yà pín.
Ó wá pín àárín òkè fún ààrẹ. Ó wá mú ìgbà bá lọ́sẹ̀ fún un. Ó ní lórí ìyá yìí wá ní òun máa ń kọ́ gangan. Onílé ilẹ̀ tí wàá bí ilẹ̀ wà bẹ̀.
Òdodo wà náà ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Òdodo pọ̀ nbẹ.
Ṣé wàá ní ọmọ mi Zainab wá ń kọ́ ọmọ yìí Zainab wá ní ètí lọ́kọ̀.
Ó ní ẹ̀tún lẹ́nu bí ìmọ̀ ni.
Ọlọ́run ṣáà méjèèjì la jókòó nígbà tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ́sítọ́n. Ibi tó ti kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kẹ́ máa wò ó pé ọmọ ìbọn o. Ó ní mọ́mí mi. Ta ló ní ẹ last flat yẹn? Ní last flat. Lọ́dọ̀ mi ní ìfọ́. Ta ló níwájú? Èmi náà wá bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé ta ló níwájú? Ó ní ìyẹn ti bọ̀ lẹ́wọ̀n ṣe. Ta ló ní ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì? Ó ní ìyẹn tòun. Ta wá ní kẹta? Ó ní ìyẹn ìbọ̀dẹ̀ mọ́jú.
Èmi wá ní wọ́n lọ sign up wọn kọ́. Ó ní sign up báwo sign up tó.
Ká tó dé búrẹ́dì gbóná. Èmi máa dúró kí báwọn ṣe kankan. Èmi máa lọ.
Yeah. We're back again. Okay. I think our internet is better now. So let me know if you can see me and you can hear me. Sorry, you can't see me. But let me know if you can hear me and you can see my screen. And let's just start afresh and let's be fast this time around, please. Let's be fast. Okay. Sorry for that break. Sorry for the break. Okay, beautiful. Let me get, if you are coming in, make sure you're smashing the like button. Like, make it part of, like, make it a norm. Anytime you're just coming in, the first thing you have to do, just smash the like button. As you're coming in, the first thing you have to do, smash the like button. As you're coming in, the first thing you have to do, smash the like button. Okay? Yeah, FGIP forever. We growing in profit. Yeah. I need to get feedback from you guys so that we can get started. I have some beautiful, I like the way the internet actually shake out some people. People that are not serious will not come back. People that are serious are the ones that will come back, okay? Because what I'm about to teach right now, especially, it is meant for people in the mentorship channel and people in the signal channel. It's just because I am just always doing my mentorship publicly. If not, it's not something I'm supposed to publicize, okay? But nevertheless, one thing I always know is this: no matter what, even if they are not even if they always join this live session, it can't be the same as people in the mentorship channel, because those people, I'm the one that is teaching you. Sometimes you will need my access, you will need my guidance to actually get some things right. So if you are not in the mentorship channel, you won't get that attention from me. And plus other information that are in the mentorship, you don't have access to it. It's only in the information that I share live on this YouTube channel that they have access to. So, but people in the mentorship channel, they have access to all the past teachings, all the past instructions, and all the past materials that I've dropped in the mentorship session. And they also have access to me directly to ask me questions, for me to monitor their growth and all of those things. Okay, so that is, there's a lot, but you know, just for other people to see the reason why they have to be part of us, we have to publicize some values. Okay, so I'm happy as you're coming in. Please, let's just quickly drop our location and where you are joining us from, and make sure you smash the like button. Let's drop let's type your name and your location where you join us from, and then make sure you smash the like button. Make it a norms, like smashing the like button, make it a norms. Okay, so let's get started. Before I dive into the charts, okay, let's go. Okay, let me start acknowledging people that are here. Hey, Nick, what's up? Where are you joining us from? Let's drop your location. Oladroja say clearly, Oladroja is from Ibadan. You type it the other time, I remember. Okoyemi Bolaji, welcome back. Where are you joining us from? P. Jerry say you can. I'm welcome back, loud and clear. Okay, beautiful. Where are you joining us from? Let me at least understand. Abriba Culture. Seems like your name is new. Where are you joining us from? P. Jerry is from Bayelsa. Atochui joining from Cameroon. DAOM Empire forever growing in profit. Bless you for completing it. Atochui, how you doing? Glory Agboruko, welcome back. Good morning from Delta State. DAOM Empire forever growing in profit. Okay, Sheung Osukoya from Lagos. Bayemi from Ibadan forever growing in profit. Chioma Ogbata. Chioma joining from Lagos. Okay, if you have not smashed the like button, do it like right now. About 9 to 10 people have not smashed the like button and they are here. Dennis, good morning from the. Hey Tony, it's been a while. I miss you. Why have you been inactive? What's up with you? Tochuku, how you doing? Tochuku from Enugu. Maybe Samuel, it's been a while. I hear from you too. How you doing from Ondo State? Okay. If you have not smashed the like button, do it right now. It's free. From Joss, I am the one who just credited my account to join the VIP mentorship. Okay, what's your name on Telegram? Abriba Culture. What's your name on Telegram? This your name sound very far, very name. Okay, so while diving into the challenge, we do a post analysis of all our current trades, and let me know. After that, they will now start diving into the new strategy I want to teach you guys. After all, the strategy I want to teach you today is still the same as my strategy. That same strategy that I usually use to trade, to swing my trade. So I just want to bring it down to how we can, switch it to a day trade strategy. Okay, it's a swing strategy, but how can we now switch it to a day trading strategy? So that's what I want to teach us this morning. Okay, so it's going to add what I've learned from Jeffrey Benson, what I've learned from Dapo Willis, what I've learned from Abby, what I've learned from Kojo Forest, what I've learned from Elvis Justice, what I've learned from what I've learned from all our leaders. What I've learned from all our leaders. So that is what I want to actually, that's all I put together and I'm teaching you guys. Okay, and other strategies that I'm just buying recently, everything all together. Okay, Paros Ibrahim from Gombe State. Now let's quickly dive into the chart. Let's quickly dive into the chart. Let's dive into the chart. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is NAS 100. We started with NAS 100 this morning. NAS 100. Look at it. You will understand that recently I added US 30. US 30 have been removed before. It was part of my watch list before. Later I removed it. And when I see it respecting my analysis, I added it back. Now, look at one thing. This is NAS 100 got back to major level. We got, let's go to the head and shoulder pattern is very, very visible on 1 hour time frame. Okay, can you see the inverse head and shoulder pattern? Can you see it is properly respected? This is the neckline. This is the neckline here. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see this? This is inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the neckline here. And this is the rule of a inverse head and shoulder pattern. After the neckline break, we have to come back for a retest, then continuation. The same thing happened on US 30, ladies and gentlemen. This is inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the neckline that was broke. And then instead of this thing to just come back to retest the neckline, look at it. It came back to put double bottom. We go in again, it came back down again. Can you see? And now look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, can you permit me to forever remove US 30 from my watch list? I'm still in this trade and it's still probably in profit, I don't know. But for the fact that it's not respecting our type of charts, our type of analysis, our type of chart pattern, our type of what we are convenient trading, it's not respecting it. Big ups to all the people that are trading US 30 and are making a lot of money from it. But I like when peers are make themselves simple to my strategy. See NAS 100, look at NAS 100 right now. Perfectly respecting our strategy. Inverse head and shoulder pattern, neckline break, breakout, retest, continuation. Look at how seriously it is in profit. Look at US 30, the same pattern form here. Instead of it to retest the neckline, look at it. Look at it. Look at it, it's going back again. Eventually it will still go up because all this consolidation will not last. It's going to actually break out from the consolidation. Maybe it's trying to form a chart pattern on a higher time frame. But the fact that it's not respecting our strategy properly is messing up with, look at, you can see there's a clear W pattern here that reverses this market to the upside. So it might be forming something like a clear chart pattern here. But whichever way, I don't think we need too much pairs on our watch list. We only need few pairs that are obedient to our strategy and make a lot of money from it. Guys, let me hear from you. I want to actually remove it officially and I won't add it back no matter what in the future by God's grace. Chidbata Jennifer, good morning. Where you joining us from? Oyinlo Yolale, type it full. And always add forever with brain and profit, ladies and gentlemen. That is what you should always attract to yourself. Okay. So I want to remove US 30 from my watch list. Or do you guys think I should still leave it? Because this thing actually mess with our trade. In fact, we'll have just remained on NAS 100 alone and be seriously in profit. But I'm sure that this thing has actually made a lot of us lose money. Me personally, I lose money on this trade. In fact, I lost one account on this trade. And that's because at the end of the day, I just had to enter it and then be like, whatever is going to happen should happen. It's either you go in profit or you go in loss, because it kept playing around. And I make sure I entered rightly, but this market is just playing around, messing up with people, because I had to move my stop loss. This entry, I moved my stop loss to entry and it has stopped me out. This one, I moved my stop loss to I moved my stop loss up here, it stopped me out. So entering again from here with a tight stop loss, that thing is just crazy. Okay. I thought you series said remove it, boss. US30 is missing up. Abriba, I personally dislike US30. Don't take it personal now. Kenneth say yes, sir. That pair is stubborn, especially in the afternoon. It will be moving crazily fast. And when there's no news and news. Kenneth said yes, sir. The pair is stubborn, especially in the afternoon. It will be moving crazy fast when there's no news and news. Abriba culture says it's never consistent. Glory Agboroko say, boss, you have my approval to remove it. I'm even out of US30 and almost eat my daily drawdown. Can you see? Chioma Ogbada say remove it if you have to because it's messing up. Okay, my people, you have it. I'll have it. He said this one say it has done harm more than good. Okay, let's remove it, guys. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. I've removed it before. I added it back when eventually. Let me show you guys. If you have always been following me, you will see why I added it back. I've analyzed this pair a long time. This pair might be good for a day trading. It might be good for day trading, okay? It might be good for day trading. But it might not be good for swing. And it might be good for swing. It might just be that you have to have a massive big account. Look at this one. Look at when he wants to take off from here. He gave us something like an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Breakout. He didn't retest sometimes. See when he has moved crazily in profit before he came back to retest. And see, since then it has forever flying up. If this pair go in our direction, we'll be happy. But the way it's messing up is not really making a lot of sense. But one thing I know is that it doesn't mean that it's a pair that will enrich you. It's just for you to understand one pair very well, and the pair is always understanding your strategy too, and that's what you need to be successful. GBP USD is the only pair that Jeffrey Benson trade up till today, and he has made millions of dollars. It is visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. He has made millions of dollars. Everybody knows that. So, and it's trading what? Only GBP. So it doesn't mean that any pair is what is going to, make you rich or enrich you. No. It is just that once you discover a pair that respects your analysis, stick to that pair. It might be one, it might be few, stick to it. Okay. So I've analyzed this pair since it was here that is going to come up retest. That is when it now came back down again. So finally, it now did what I asked it to do: breakout, retest, then continuation. Why is continuation taking so much time? I won't be surprised if this thing just start breaking down and start going down again. Ladies and gentlemen, let's free this pair. Let's free it. But I will leave this thing here. Maybe anytime I will just check, but I will not add it to my pair list again, like my watch list again. Bye bye US30. We will not miss you. Definitely, I will make a lot of money without you. Bye bye. I didn't love you really. That's why I want to remove you. It's out, guys. It's out. It's out. Now we're back at NAS 100. Look at NAS 100. A very respectful pair. So look at it. Respecting the strategy, respecting the chart pattern. This is inverted and shoulder pattern. Come on, go and meet. Stop crying here. So look, this is inverted and shoulder pattern. Very clear. This is the neckline. Break the neckline, retest the neckline, continuation to the upside. This thing doesn't have to take a rocket science. I like to make things very simple. Very simple. As I speak with you, I'm on a trade. I'm on this trade and it's swinging in profit. I've blown one account with US30, including NAS. I was taking low risk on NAS, big risk on US30. The other account I was taking equal risk on NAS and US30. And when I saw that US30 was misbehaving, I increased my risk on NAS. I decreased my risk on US30, and that one is moving very well in profit as I speak with you. Okay, so what's the feature, what's the benefit of having a pair on your watch list and it's making you lose money? It doesn't make sense. Okay, so we are removing it. And this is one of the pair that one of my guy took he stay in this trade and I respect him. Kenneth, if you are here, you can let us know. He took it and he has used it to pass his phase 1 this morning. He sent it to me in the middle of the night and I had to repost it. I'm happy with my guy's growth, okay? So that's how I want to be happy with everybody's growth. I know that when this PA started trending, a lot of you is going to pass your account, a lot of you is going to get funded, a lot of you is going to start withdrawing your profit, a lot of you who are not even trading prop firm will start making crazy profit for themselves, okay? So that is that on that. So NAS 100 keep forever growing in profit. You still have a long way to go. Followed by AUD USD, ladies and gentlemen, is still consolidating. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame is consolidating, okay? And it has started driving back down. It's just, yeah, we are going to be patient for it. AUD USD is just one of those pairs that I partially leave in my watch list. I don't really like it so much, but my boss like it. That's Dapper Willis. Dapper Willis like it, but for me, I don't really like it. JPY. This is a clear, guys. This pair is going to actually come back to this level. Okay, I think it's almost there. I don't know. It might still push a little bit back down. This is an M pattern that shows that this market wants to reverse. I'm out of this trade anyway. This is an M pattern that shows that this market wants to reverse. When this market shows this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern, a rally up. So it might just be that you want to retest this inverse head and shoulder pattern and start rallying up, but nevertheless, this market has come to retest. Let me quickly do it for you. It might be a day trading strategy and it might be a swing strategy, okay? You can see this is an M pattern, 1, 2, M pattern, retest the neckline, break out from the neckline, retest the neckline. Now it is coming back down. Honestly, if I caught it early, I will have just called it for you guys. And if you still want to enter, you can enter. Just that. You have to know what you're risking. Let's do it like this. I'm not going to take this trade. But I'm going to actually call it for anybody that wants to take it, but take it on a low risk because it's a C setup, okay? It's a C setup. Our stop loss should be a little bit above, that's 58 pips. And let's see a likely possible TP. It's a likely possible TP, okay? It's a day trade strategy, ladies and gentlemen. These two, okay, almost 2 to, it has to be 2 to 1 ratio. This 2 to 1 ratio, that's risking 1 to get 2, risking $100 to make $200, risking $1,000 to make $2,000. So that is this setup right now. If you want me to type it out, you can let me know. But this is it, okay? This is it. This pair is likely to come down to this level or below this level, okay? So that is that on this pair right now. Hey, sorry, Rakib. Rakib say I blow my account on US30. The setup was so smooth, I neglect risk management. Now I'm broke. Sorry. Don't always neglect risk management, no matter how sweet the setup might be, okay? Unless if you are ready to risk all the accounts, regardless, even if you blow. So unless, Kenneth, you're welcome. Congratulations to your growth, okay? This time around, make sure you follow instruction and only take high quality setup, okay? So that's GBP/JPY. If you guys want me to type it out, I'll type it out, but it's a C setup. Let me type it out for people in the mentorship channel to take advantage. It's a C setup, so take a very low risk on it. It's a day trade strategy. After all, it's a day trading strategy I want to talk us today. Day trade strategy, day trade GBP/JPY. Sell now. SL is 184851. 184851. That is how many pips? I think it's 51 pips or so. Let me confirm. 58 pips. That's 58 pips, guys. Our stop loss is going to be times 2 of it. TP is what? 183.108. 183.188. How many pips is that? 116 pips. 116 pips. C setup. Control C. Okay, let me drop it for my people in the premium signal channel. Okay, so let's continue. Oh, my network better Jekori. Olufe, twilight to you too, twilight. Okoyemi Bolaji, kindly type it out. I've typed it. Let me paste it to you here. Check USD JPY H4. I think it's auto retest the M pattern. I've analyzed GBP JPY before. It's not on my watch list. I don't usually like to go to pairs that are not in my watch list. I don't like it. Okay, Abriba, I don't like it. I only do it for educational purpose. Okay. So if you want to see how I analyze USD JPY, you say you have joined the mentorship channel. I'm going to send you a particular analysis on USD JPY. You learn from it. That's one. Number two, you can analyze any pair of your choice. It's not a must that all I have on my watch list is what you must have on your own watch list too. Everybody, it's a free word, it's an independent word. You can always choose any pair you want. Okay. So, but for me, these are the pairs that works with my strategy, and anyone that mess up, remove it. In fact, if it remain only one pair today that I want to be trading, ladies and gentlemen, I'm okay with it. But it can't be one pair now. At least you can see that other pairs are also what they are also cooperating, and then can just continue to grow with each other. But my pairs are few, less than 10 pairs, and I want to see myself in the next 5-10 years. And I'll tell people that I have less than 10 pairs that I trade. I've made millions or multiple millions of dollars as a profit from all these pairs alone. Kodri Abiola, you're late. How you doing? We miss you. Chibu Eze will be forever going in profit. How you guys doing? I miss you guys. Okay. I'm hoping that it was the trade that I dropped in the premium signal channel that brought you guys here right now. You guys are not serious. So let's continue. I've not had my breakfast anyway. So that's GBP JPY, clearly M setup, and this is a reversal pattern. But honestly, I can drag this thing down here if only we want to do what we want to swing it. But to be on the safer side, this is just good, like a day trade strategy. That'll be all. BTC is playing. Yo. I don't even have any. I don't know why I've not even removed this pair, because I know one day I'm going to make profit from this pair. Euro USD is now switching to a downtrend. So it's yet to touch this minor level. Upon touching this minor level, we'll know what Euro USD is going to do next. Okay. GBP USD is the next pair to check. GBP USD, ladies and gentlemen, is back to this is irrelevant. Let me delete it. Irrelevant. Let me delete it. Irrelevant. Okay. Let's our chart be pure. So let's see what the market is going to actually do. What prepare for us. You can see. It's retesting that minor level 3 times now. So after all this, it's going to actually let us know where it is going. Okay. So let's be patient for GBP USD. Gold. I call this trade out. I am sure a lot of you have made, a lot of us make money from this pay yesterday. Honestly, I also did, but I didn't call. I've called the trade out of definitely, but I asked you guys to exit at this level because it was a news, and I don't want anybody to cut in that retracement. It did retrace a little and is back in profit. So I'm happy. I called this trade out, though it took me out. You can see this thing didn't get to my stop loss, but the prop firm I was using to take it, it took me out. It was very, very unfortunate. I think I discussed that with you guys, and then after that, and I'm happy with all my people that are eating from this trade setup right now. It's also a C setup anyway. So if you know you make money from gold, let me know in the chat box. So right now, I think it is safe for us to now start teaching the new strategy. Okay, I'm thinking of something, ladies and gentlemen. I'm thinking of starting a new video afresh to teach the strategy, because this is how many minutes we have spent. We have spent over 31 minutes in doing our post analysis, teaching ourselves one thing or the other, when I'm just about to start the real reason why we want to do today's analysis and today's live session. So what do you guys think? If you guys agree with me that we should start a new session, let me just end this one right now and start another one immediately. Then that one is just go straight to the point. Just start teaching the new strategy I want to teach you. If you guys agree with me, better be fast on that. Let me quickly know. Let's do that so that this video will not just be long. Ojiuba, good morning, where you joining us from? Okay, let me know you grab that. Let's do that. Okay, so that we can just start afresh. We can start afresh, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do that right now. I'm going to end the live session right now, and I'm going to start another one immediately, and I'm going to send it to the, I'm going to send it, okay? So you guys just join immediately.